So imagine we're there having a frolic on Monday night, enjoying ourselves. Then we go watch the news.
It's the first I've seen something like this.
The road look like a river.
We are taking this trip today to check on the house. Oh wow!
Are you seeing that?
Hey neighbors, how you doing? Thanks for joining us for another video. We are actually here on the highway, leaving Portmore, heading towards Clarendon right now. First of all, where are my manners? Welcome to the new subscribers to the channel. If you've joined us for the second time after seeing our house video, this is a follow-up.
So if you never subscribed on the last video and you were saying, let me feel them out, and you're here right now listening to me, this is a sign. Hit the subscribe button. Happy to have all of you here.
So on Sunday evening, Monday into Monday, you guys know we had our brush with Hurricane Ian here in Jamaica. I hope that you guys were spared the worst. Where we were, we had rain, lots of rain, some gusts from time to time. We had lightning. I mean, on Monday nights, you should have seen us in the dark watching lightning at our house. It was actually pretty frightening.
It was fun at first.
Yeah, it was fun, and then it just became very scary because the thunder was really loud and the lightning coming, like I said, was just right outside the window. So,
Leila, are you afraid of the lightning and the thunder?
No, I'm afraid.
You're not afraid?
No.
she's brave.
What are we supposed to?
Oh my gosh! Come here,
Bro, it's okay, it's okay.
I think I did that. I think she was fine, and I think I caused that. I think I caused that.
Listen, there's some serious lightning going on outside. Are you afraid, Tata?
No.
You're not
Does this look
afraid?
like the face of fear to you?
This.
Edie, are you okay? Edie, you okay?
But the big, but the scared me. There's a big thunder that is loud and heavy. There's a
What?
what?
Hannah, that's a favorite question I've seen. Hannah, no, come stand up right here.
No, I don't want.
Come stand up right here and look.
It's scary when you actually see the flash and then you hear the thunder.
Flash behind me.
You can't see behind you.
In my field.
Hannah, come right here and stand up. Look at this, everybody. Look at this. You see that a while ago?
It doesn't conduct electricity.
You see that a while ago? Serious lightning.
You have a phone in your hand.
Yeah.
Phones are electric.
So what that mean? Lightning can come through the window and come through the door and shine me.
It's not impossible.
Alright, bye. See you
We
tomorrow.
heard on the news that it was raining very heavily in some sections of the island. Many people were flooded out, and one of the areas that was very heavily affected was Clarendon. In fact, in southern Clarendon, there was a lot of flooding, and guys, our new house is in southern Clarendon.
So imagine we're there having a frolic on Monday night, enjoying ourselves. Then we go watch the news. And rain falling over everywhere in Jamaica, you know. So Sunday night we release big video by place, and on the news, I don't hear many parishes called, but Clarendon and St. Catherine, Clarendon in particular, had many different reels and reporters were in different parts. The road looked like a river, and who can pass here, which MP talking, and I was like, we're just by the place, we're not there now, so I hope that it is not any crazy thing going on. So we're just heading there now to ensure everything is okay. We know we have some things to address, like some leaks here.
Yeah, we knew from beforehand that there were some spots in the roof that had leaks, but with the amount of rain that fell, yeah, we don't know how extensive the leaking actually is. So we want to check on that.
And let us know how it was in your neck of the woods. How did you weather the storm?
Look clean.
Oh, I look clean? I'm a bit lean. Alright. Let us know how it was in your neck of the woods, how the storm treated you.
Yeah.
Listen, we live in Portmore right now, and no matter how good your roof is, if rain fall for long, water is going to be crawling down your walls because
Right to
many
the
of the
joints.
houses in Portmore have a slab roof.
Yeah.
So it just going to eventually just seep through if, you know, so we had our little, you know, sapping up here and there to do. But we just want to ensure that where we invested in Clarendon is 100% fine.
Can you get in?
What I just saw chicken.
Wow, the place seems to have bushed up a whole lot since the last time we were here. Wow, look how much, how high
Chicken.
grass.
Chicken.
It's not our chicken.
Why did this run away?
The first thing you notice, we're going to pick a cherry first. Wash it. This can't chop down. First thing you notice is that there's a lot of growth since the rain. When the time is dry, place dry, grass low, it look almost dead. But when rain fall, the earth responds and we'll have a lot of growth. So I'm thinking that I'm going to need a weed whacker. Would be too much strain on my back. I need one of those like John Deere mower thing where I'm just like I'm driving around and I'm trimming the lawn, and I think that would be the most efficient way. I'm not sure how much they cost though. If you know where I can get one or get one used, drop it in the comments so we can get that in train. But anyway, we're more concerned about inside, so we're going to now go and see what's happening there. What's cherry on the ground, man?
What is it?
Cherry.
Cherry?
You see the cherries on the ground?
Did you see what's dropped?
What fell? Something fell?
I hear something up on those videos. We just heard a thud. And look what we found.
Oh, nice ripe sweet sap.
Yes, sir.
Whoa.
Thank you, Lord.
Lovely. Look at the bounty that the Lord provides. Thank you, Jesus. How is it?
Nice. Come down, Zahra. Want to see some? You want it?
I'll take it. Nice.
I just broke off this bougainvillea because every time I drive in, it was protruding and it wanted to stick out and take off a piece of the paint. But I'm saying there must be an object lesson to learn from this, and this is the thought for today. So how can something so beautiful hurt you? You see the amount of maca or
Thorns.
thorns that are in it? It doesn't jump out at you. What jumps out at you is the beautiful leaves. But remember the woman in Proverbs, adulterous woman, that Proverbs keep on reminding you about. You know, she'll be seducing you. So I don't know which man I'm talking to in the neighborhood today. Don't do it. Anyway, let's go on.
Listen, and I think that's an appropriate time to bring in this plug. For those of you who are new to this channel, I would recommend that if you're browsing, you browse our How We Met videos so you can see how that good man over there found a good thing when he found this wife here, and he obtaineth the favor of the Lord. And it's not me says so, it's the Bible says so, okay? And if you're a gentleman and you have not yet found a wife, found that good thing, you know, you can take a little page out of Mr. Farmer Reed's book. Farmer George, my bad.
And I walked with my flashlight. We didn't get JPS to sort out the transfers yet. So in case
Transfer of what?
it's a little dark, the transfer of the meter from the past owners to us.
Okay.
So walk with my flashlight in case we need to, you know, look under any corner. I don't have the usual patty, which is now defaced and full of graffiti, but it works. Hi guys. Hi.
It's a lot of grass, baby. Gonna check on the house. Let's go check on the house.
You don't like down there?
It's dark.
Like this flashlight there?
You're gonna be the keeper of the flashlight. All right, let's check and see from this angle, the roof. You see a leaking spot, Zahra?
Where?
I saw it.
On the other side?
They always come back to this room.
Yeah, see your room doesn't have any leaks.
No leak in this room.
No.
So,
Or is there?
so this is one of 5 bedrooms, guys. And we got some water came in through the windows. Yeah, but we don't have all the window panes. Some of these windows have missing window panes, so water would have come through. But we have to go get them replaced. But so far, there's a drop ceiling all throughout the house. And so far, this room seems to have been spared. But what is that? Was that a leak?
Probably oil.
And oh, okay, it's dry. Okay. This is another one of the bedrooms. How is it in here? No leaks?
No fresh leaks. So far so good. Let's go, children.
Come, guys.
Nobody touch the bathroom, sorry.
What is that?
What's the nest?
Okay. Oh, there are holes in the ceiling?
There's a hole right here.
But there doesn't seem that there was any leak.
No, there is no leak.
This is another one of the bedrooms. No leaks, thank God.
Thank God. So far, we've been through what, 3 bedrooms?
Yeah.
Or 4?
4 bedrooms.
And there's no problem. 4 bedrooms and we've been through 2 bathrooms and no leaks. I'm not even seeing like sign of leak on the wall. So thank God for that. Yes, baby?
You see a leak?
Where?
Okay.
Oh wow.
What is this?
Oh.
Wow.
Yeah, so this is a
Shine a
problem.
light? Oh my gosh.
So the leak itself, a lot of water isn't here, but this needs some attention. You never like the ceiling tiles anyway.
No, they're gonna have to come down, but gosh, this is massive. This is a pretty big leak right here.
Yeah.
This is a pretty big leak. So all of these tiles will have to be taken down, and the roof, the zinc replaced.
Right, so just soaking.
It's soak.
Yeah.
Wow. So is this is a hallway actually? This is a hallway. So look like we're going to just have to get the area over this entire hallway replaced. And we're seeing clear up to the zinc.
No.
No?
There's a sheet of board. We're covering it. or between the zinc and between the roof and the ceiling.
Alright, well, let us see if anywhere else have leak.
So this is one place. A lot of water didn't come in because
Or if it, yeah, it didn't, I don't know what it didn't settle.
Eden, quiet. Go on to it. So they're just enjoying themselves. And they're trying to shoot up. It's their house, so they can do what they want to. And then spot number 2.
Yeah, I know this area
But this
was
is
looking a
where-
little bit.
I think this side was repaired though, you know. So there's no leak, but the ceiling is bad. Because there's no sign of water, even though the window wasn't healed.
There's no sign of water unless it drip and dry
Is it
up.
dry already? Or because of the sunlight?
Maybe.
Perhaps.
But yeah, we know right here was probably leaking, but yeah. Another area we're going for repair. Let's check the kitchen.
So the kitchen where we cook the meals, where we store the food. One of the places in the house that cannot be eaten. So the living room area, dining room area is fine.
This looks like a little. Is that water? It's wet? Is it wet?
No, it's not wet.
But it looked like it may have been leaking from before,
Right.
and it was repaired.
Yeah, so the roof may have been repaired from a leak prior, but the ceiling tiles probably weren't replaced. So this is very unattractive, but it doesn't seem to be leaking right now.
Okay.
No water sign, and it's not soggy. It's not soggy at all.
Well,
But
that's
to
good.
the kitchen now. In the kitchen, and the kitchen cupboards have no water because the roof is intact.
Well, the wall here, it looked like there was some drainage on this wall. Is it wet? No?
No. Could be from some time before.
And there's no water on the ground.
No water settled in the roof.
Well, thank God for that. At least we'll have at least we don't have to do anything to this for the time being. What is that?
Are you guys okay? How everybody leave these two little ones around the place?
So, what's your final assessment?
Given that there was so much rain that fell, thank God it's not worse.
Yeah.
It is an old structure, but the roof seems to be pretty much okay, except for the 2 spots that we've identified, and that one major spot that needs immediate attention.
Yeah.
Yeah, but apart from that, things are fine. The roof never blew it.
Right.
Wasn't a lot of breeze though. I'm not sure how much breeze came, how much wind was blowing this side, but again, when Ian was passing, it was a tropical storm. It's now a category 5, you knew that?
No, I did not.
It's now category 4 going 5.
Heading to Cayman?
No, heading to Florida.
Wow. Our prayers are with you all, neighbors. If you are in Florida, I know I have family in Florida. Please be safe, take whatever precautions you need to. And we just pray that God's hand and God's mercy will be over you, covering you, protecting you at this time. This is a force of nature that we're dealing with, but we know that we serve the God who has power over all nature. He is the creator, and so he can divert, reduce.
Listen, Jamaica has seen so much. Jamaica has been spared so many times.
Yes.
Right now, we could be a tire.
We
could
were
be a tire
spared
shop
this
because we're full of spare.
We were really spared this time. I thought for sure
Yeah.
we were gonna get it because it's been a while since we have had a major system hit us directly or come very close to us. So we thank God that we were spared, but we also pray for our neighbors
Right.
all across the Caribbean and the southern United States that may be at a threat right now.
And the damage that was done in Jamaica with just a little rain, not a lot of wind, it wasn't a hurricane, but places have been flooded, people have been...
Mudslides, landslides.
Something else. So.
Yeah. Fortunately, this place that we have purchased is on a little incline.
Right.
It's the area generally in southern Clarendon is very vulnerable to flooding. It was very important looking at this house that we could see how that flood risk would be mitigated, and the previous owners built this place on a slight incline.
Let me show you. Watch
it's elevated. What are you doing?
Watch me.
Look here, you have pity to take care of.
You can go home, right? If anything, don't put it
please don't go broke up yourself.
So this is actually the level that the house is at. But see, I can...
Are you okay?
See, I can jump on it. So if anything even remotely came and any freak thing happened, we would still be a good 5-6 feet above.
Maybe not 5. Oh yes, because it's taller than you.
It is.
Yeah. Maybe 6 feet, yeah.
Yeah, about 5 or so feet. So
true.
thank God for that.
Thank God. Yeah. Zara, what's the problem?
You're not feeling well, baby. You feel warm.
She feel warm?
Yeah, she feels warm.
Yeah, they're here with us today. It's late in the evening and we have to run back. But we pull them out of school. Both Zara and Leila they have some kind of virus, so they're on the road with us.
Yeah. And they're extra, I won't say miserable, extra
cranky,
irritable.
Yeah.
We're going to leave now.
Paul, we have to do something about this gate. We have to do something about this gate because this gate is all that Ian and Ava seem to be interested in when they come here. Exactly, that is exactly how you must come down it, baby. Good girl. Good girl. Very good.
Who teach you? One thing though, we've been trying to shoot a video that is clean and have good audio, but the children were having too much fun, and it is a joy to see that even though there's nothing here yet, and it's, as Zara would say, it's so dirty, they still come here and enjoy themselves, and that's a blessing in itself. There's peace here, and yeah, thank God for sparing property, strong property, and you'll continue occupying it for us until we properly move.
Time will tell if we will have any issues, any major issues where we are. It's just that we're just going to have to wait and see. But somebody reminded me in the comments when you would have seen in the previous video when Paul asked me how I felt when we just reached to the house, and I'm like, I'm not going to lie, it looked like a whole heap of work. And yes, we went and we looked at the roof and we see that yes, it's going to take work, it's going to take money to effect those repairs. But somebody reminded me in the comments, remember you prayed, Tina. Remember we prayed, Paul. Remember that this was the Lord's choice, and we have to continue to trust that. And so, come high water, come storm, we still trust in the Lord that this was His choice for us, and this is where we belong at this time, in this season. Yeah. And just like that, we have blue skies again. Look guys, it's a rainbow! How apt, how perfect! How perfect, right?
Perfect.
God's promises are true.
Promises. Stick and hold to the promises of God. As we sign out of this vlog and we're heading back home, knowing that things are okay where we left it, or as we left it at our new house, we held on to God's promises for the house to get it. He will keep us. He will provide the resources for the renovations. And that's my encouragement to you today as we go. Hold on to God's promises. He has never gone back on His word. Alright? And speaking of promises, we should be lining up a song for you for Sunday. And I'm going to put it in the vlog right now for Thursday. words that will hold ourselves to it. So God's willing, see you on Sunday with a new song. But regardless, be safe.